John Heinricy. I'm doing some engineering work for John Hennessey down at Hennessey Performance Engineering in Sealy, Texas. This is a C8 Corvette with Z51 suspension, and this just happens to be the same Corvette that we took to Uvalde, Texas last Friday and ran a top speed run at Uvalde on the test track there. We actually ran 205.1 miles an hour with the car at Uvalde. It was really an awesome experience, and I had a lot of fun doing it. I've been working on the C8 here for the last day. We did some lowering with the car, so I'm approximately 3/4 to 1 inch lower. We'll go over a little jump right here. Downshift. We'll downshift to third on this turn. Make some maneuvers on the track here just to get a feel for what the handling is like now. I've also changed the alignment on the car, so we're running 3 degrees negative in the front, 2 degrees negative in the rear. The car has a lot more bite now. Feels quite a bit more neutral. We're running Ford's line wheels. These are 10-inch wide by 18-inch diameter wheels in the front, and they're 12 by 19-inch wheels in the rear. Hennessey Performance Engineering also fabricated a different exhaust system for the car. You can hear it has a much more tony sound to it. It's really pretty impressive. Very responsive. Well, I love the sound of the car now. The car is much more neutral around the turn now. The front end is biting really good.